Having trouble with your Lenovo USB-C Gen 2 docking station not detecting monitors, especially in multi-display setups? This is often due to driver incompatibilities or outdated firmware. First, use the Lenovo Vantage app's Docking Station Optimizer to automatically update all relevant drivers and firmware. A key step is to ensure your graphics drivers, Intel UHD Arc or AMD Radeon, are up to date, as older versions can conflict with the dock. If problems persist, check Windows Update for compatibility patches, particularly those addressing USB-C subsystem issues. A reboot after updates is crucial. If basic updates don't resolve the issue, consider these advanced steps. In Windows Power Settings, disable USB Selective Suspend to prevent power management from interfering with the dock's functionality. Ensure monitors are connected in the correct order, primary first, and use identical resolutions to avoid bandwidth overload. For multi-display setups, the laptop's GPU must have sufficient DisplayPort lanes. If problems continue, test with official Lenovo monitors for diagnostic purposes. As a last resort, manually reinstall the Lenovo System Interface Driver, LSI, and docking station firmware. Remember, prevention with automated driver updates is key.